At the very beginning, everything was free, but then we got to the point where we saturated every possible limit in every free software. So at the end of the day, the cost that we had for having to upgrade all the software was insanely expensive. We really did think and did dig a little bit deeper into what we needed and what we wanted to do, and especially saving ourselves both money and sanity. We decided to go with one single software. Hello, my wonderful talent, and welcome to Profitable Talent. I'm Alessia. I know you are here because you're trying to figure out how to create a course, maybe trying to create a membership and what software to use, and you have absolutely no idea how to connect the dots or how to build a community, how to run the actual membership. Because I tell you what, I was in the same situation without being a techie person, having no idea what to do when we started Lazy Dance Tips channel and Lazy Dance Studio. So I'm here today to reveal and open the curtain to behind the scenes of what we did with Lazy Dance Tips and Lazy Dance Studio, and especially what software we use to make our life business so much easier. So if you're ready for this, keep on watching, and I'm gonna reveal the top 5 things that we absolutely adore about Kajabi, especially if you're not a techie person like me. Low techie. Kajabi, good techie. Welcome to today's chat on Profitable Talents.
Today's episode is all about Kajabi!
Yay!
Shall we start with the first reason why we stay with Kajabi? The first reason is simple. It's the one and only software you will ever need to make your online business run. Even if you scale up to 7, 8 figures, chances are, if you streamline your business, this is really the only software you need. And we're going to tell you why. Let's suppose you are hiring us today to coach you on how to build the foundation of your business. You haven't done much. The only thing you have done is you've been posting on social media, you have an audience, you know exactly the value that you want to provide to your own community, right? But you don't know how to monetize it, and we are here to help. What will be the first thing we will help you do? And I can share like a very basic structure that we put together recently. So this is just a very generic structure, like a little funnel if you want. If you don't know what it is, we'll get to that. What we would coach you in doing is first creating a free resource for your community, right? Like maybe a free PDF, maybe a free course or mini course video, whatever that is. You want to host that on your website. Then you need a page to send your community to download it, which is called Squeeze Page. So that can give you name and email address. And then the software, your website, should add the name and email address into your email list, should automatically send emails to deliver the free resource to whoever's registered for it. And then as a thank you page, you may want to offer something already. Sell a initial product to them and get paid immediately. But what happens if they don't do it? You can still have their name and email in your list and then follow up with them with an automated email sequence that you can pre-write, load up into Kajabi, and let Kajabi do the rest for you, including getting money, process payments, and direct people to the right pages based on what they do. The second point is that, like I mentioned before, you don't need to be a web designer to create great things, but I also want to show you how simple it is to create a page on Kajabi. I just don't want to just talk about it. Just want to show you, right?
If I can do it, and I'm the worst techie person you will ever meet, including I forget to recharge my phone. He's the one that
recharge your phone.
Exactly.
That's how bad it is.
If I can do all that by myself, it really is an intuitive way of creating pages, creating products. For me, it's a plug and play. You just drag and drop and open and you make it happen. Enjoy the process as well of creating something that is yours without having to go absolutely crazy.
When you sign up with Kajabi, you'll find yourself in this page, sort of the dashboard. And if you click on the website and pages, you've got this button, create new landing page. Your website is just a collection of a bunch of landing pages. So you can just use this button and create new pages for any page you need in your website. You can choose to start from scratch, but as a starting point, you can already choose styles that best represent what you're trying to do. I can just select that, give it a name. For now, it's test. Kajabi will just create the new page for me with all of the default elements. But here's the thing. There is no way you can break this page. I tried. Unless you go tinkering with the code, which I don't think they give you access unless you get to higher packages. You can make it ugly if you really try, but you cannot break it. And as you can see, you've got all of your sections on the left, and the result, it's a real-time preview of your page on the right. We've prepared some templates for people that are not tech savvy, but they've already written lots of sales copy. They want to just sell their stuff. If you sign up to Kajabi using our affiliate link, you not only get double the trial,
30 days rather than 14.
If you stay with Kajabi and let us know, we'll give you our sales template, which we created. And the way you import them is as simple as uploading a file, a zip file, and then just let it do its thing. And then boom. Again, you can tweak and change anything in this page. This template also has got guided section names that go along with all the guides that we've done in our programs. So follow the template that we give you, copy and paste your text here, choosing the style you want, and this is as simple as that. We've done all the work for you. This is like as simple as it gets, in my opinion.
All right, so the third thing that we absolutely loved was...
my favorite word, automations, that can pretty much eliminate all the repetitive work. I want to fix problems only once, not a million times. This has got to do with automatic emails that need to go out when some user do something. For example, finishing a course, or maybe finishing one specific video in the course. Automation allow you to send badges of completion of specific section for your courses. You can automatize internal things like failed payments, which happen all the time. All of this stuff is incredible because it allows you to design the experience of your users, and it can be quite convoluted and complicated because you want the experience to be full, but then you do it once and you almost forget about it, which is, for me, amazing.
I know you're intrigued, but I also know that you're a little bit freaked out about that whole techie thing. So to make things easier for you, I want to let you know that if you use our link in the description box below for the trial of Kajabi, you're going to get 30 days rather than 14 of free trial. So you can play around and make things a little bit of a mess to then understand what the software is all about. On top of that, we have a mini course free for you to set up your Kajabi. So because my husband is really good, is put all the little things that we need, we, the non-techie people, to put together to have your lead generating system and start selling to the people that you care about. And if you say after 30 days, we are going to give you our sales page templates. So you are going to drag and drop into your website and make it look pretty right away. So I told you, no techie things. Click on the link below.
The fourth reason why, absolutely no hidden fees or taxes. And that's real. When you are starting out, every penny counts. And you see at the end of the month, you are calculating in your mind based on your fee and how many members you have in your membership or in your course, how much money you should get at the end of the month. With Kajabi, you just pay them whatever you agree to pay them, either monthly or annually. It doesn't matter if you make $50 million in one day, they will not take a penny out of it. They allow you to create your own ecosystem where you can keep everything under one brand that you can actually own. Then we reach to our favorite point, possibly, the community feature that can replace Facebook groups, which everybody hates, apparently, and Zoom as well. Kajabi acquired a company called Vibely a few months ago, so they've just started to integrate it into the platform. And it's amazing because you can have a mini Facebook inside your own course if you want. They can upload videos on the community like they would on Facebook. They can have a little app where they get notifications about, somebody replied to your message, or you want to send a message to this person and that person.
So you can also get in touch with people that have your same interests if you want to. I personally see a lot of people saying, let's do this workout, let's do this in a week. So it just becomes a little challenge within the actual community, and they can help each other out. So that's why, to me, the community feature is the best thing in the platform. Glad you're pumped and ready to use use Kajabi. But if you don't know where to start writing your sales page and you need a framework, well, we are revealing every single little detail of what we do to sell our digital product in this video right here. You gotta watch it now. Come on, write the sales page. Is there anything else? No, not the sales page template. I said, outro. That's a very long outro.